Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Common words are used. Start. The big increase in the import of machinery and equipment, especially in the textile sector, and of some agricultural inputs like insecticides and plastic material demonstrates that the needs of the economy in these areas have been growing. Full stop. Textile sector has been preparing to meet the impending challenge of international competition, as quota system will be abolished by the end of the current calendar year. Full stop. Petroleum group is the biggest item on the import list. Full stop. The other major items of import are palm oil, road motor vehicles, iron and steel, and medicinal products. Full stop. On the export sides, textile sector has once again led the way. Full stop. Engineering goods also did well. Full stop. According to Federal Bureau of Statistics, the export of rice went up by 13%, fetching a huge amount in dollars during the outgoing financial year. Full stop. Rice has been one of the main export earners, but its full export potential has not been realized. Full stop. Rice export should be provided with necessary inputs and incentives while the quality should be regularly monitored. Full stop. The potential to promote non-traditional items also needs to be fully exploited. Full stop. Now that the import demand is being determined by the output of various sectors of the economy, the acceleration of exports through the diversification of exportable goods and export market lies within the domain of the official policy and the efforts of the exporters themselves. Full stop. Most of the goods are exported to 7 or 8 big destinations. Full stop. This needs expansion. Full stop. Among the exportable items, textile products account for 65% of total exports. Full stop.